Yep, you read that right. Meze Audio has released a new headphone, the Poet. It's going to be open back, and it's going to have some really cool technology. The usual custom-designed Rinaro Isodynamic driver, but this one's going to have AMTS from Dan Clark Audio, which they have licensed to use in this headphone. So let's check it out. Looks like we got a little book here in the box, going over their design philosophy. Get a little peek at how the headphones look there. Cool. They usually include these with most of their headphones. Nice little addition. So it comes in this awesome protective case with Poet there written on the front. Nice metal latch. Some sort of plastic material. Nice strong hinge on the back. That's cool. And this is metal here. Let's open it up. Wow. So first we'll take a look at the included premium cable. Nice leather pouch here. And let's check this cable out. Wow. Okay, so it comes with a 1/4 inch to dual 3.5s. Not too sure on the length of this cable, but we'll put it down in the description or on screen for you to see. Really cool copper with kind of a silver that matches the headphone. Braided copper cable. Awesome. Now let's look at the headphone. So right off the bat, you'll see a lot of design similarities with the Lyric 2 and the first gen Lyric. A couple unique differences though. Obviously this is going to be an open back headphone, so this is going to vent through to the drivers. Really cool copper design there with this really awesome vent design too. That's just looks awesome. And then the headphones are this really awesome silver color. Really cool contrast to the Lyric, which is pretty much all blacked out except for some of the copper accents that this one has as well. So it looks like they stuck with the 3.5s on this headphone. No real surprise there. Got a nice leather ear pads. This headphone is modular, so you can take off and replace the ear pads very easily. And if you look inside there on those Rinaro Isodynamic drivers, you can see the AMTS logo there, as well as a really cool, like almost a secondary Poet logo that's on the inside. See if we can get a better look at that. That's pretty cool. These are some of the coolest looking drivers, that's for sure. And then on the top here, you'll see kind of the usual headband, at least in terms of the leather, but you'll notice that they have changed the bands that hold the headband assembly together. So now they're these much thinner, but still metal bands here, slightly flexible. Headphone still adjusts just like the Lyric does, just slide it up and down here. Very nice, solid connection. Wow, what a beautiful headphone. Now, in case you're wondering which Dragon cables we are going to recommend for this headphone, stay tuned. We're going to get them to our customer service team who's going to test out this headphone and figure out which one we like best with the new Poet from Meze Audio. Make sure you stay tuned for our full video review and blog that we'll publish as soon as we can once we get a chance to listen to these headphones in depth. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest audiophile content. Thanks so much for watching.